Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to talk about this device that is in front of me. And if you're new to the channel, you might know, you might not know what the channel is about. Welcome to Laashaktech. Here we review, talk about tech, and unbox tech. So let's get directly into the video. Here we have the dream device of many people. So this one is used to connect two headphones in the same phone, so you and your friend or you and your partner can listen to music at the same time. So you can connect this into your cell phone and have two audio out, so that you can put two pair of headphones and listen at the same time. So that's really cool. That's the main functionality of this device. And as mentioned before, if you have a microphone and a headset separate, for example, there are headsets only with audio without mic, and you have only mic. And if you have a laptop with only 3.5 mm jack, you can connect this into your laptop and connect your mic and headphones one by one. So that's also the second functionality of this device. So in summary, this can be used as a friendly device where you plug it in your phone and you connect two pairs of headphones, and you can listen to music and watch stuff at the same time without having to share your headphones. And the second functionality is that you can connect two devices at the same audio port. For example, in a laptop, you have a single 3.5 millimeter jack. So in that, you can go ahead and connect your mic and your headphones at the same time. So this is a multi-purpose audio jack and sold on Amazon, any other platforms. So that's gotta be it for the functionality of this device, and thanks for watching. Just before leaving, I wanted to say that this is not a branded or sponsored video. So the product you see on screen is something that I bought just for the sake of the video and not because I was sponsored or they wanted me to review this. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.